In this image I have a picture of a building, and what I want to show in the edited image is repetition. The two problems are the building is leaning backwards, and secondly, in the top left the building doesn't repeat itself, and the tool I'm going to use today for this is the crop tool. I've just got my crop tool highlighted here, and first of all I'm going to straighten the image up. I'm going to go into the options bar here, and there's an icon here called straighten the spirit level. If I click on the icon to highlight the spirit level, I can bring my cursor down. You can see there's a spirit level icon attached to the cursor. I'm going to come to one of these straight edges here, left click and hold and drag down until I get a straight line coming down. If I let go, the image will straighten itself and you can see it's straightened up. The next thing I'm going to do is just crop out this area here. So with my crop tool on, you can see I've got my crop lines here. I'm just going to left click and hold and drag it over until I can get a repeated image without anything else inside. Once I've done that, I go to the options bar, check to commit, and there's the finished image.